Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study your notes effectively. To truly master your material, begin with active recall. This means testing yourself on what you've learned, rather than just rereading. For instance, after reviewing a section, close your notes and try to explain the main points aloud. This simple act significantly boosts memory retention and helps identify knowledge gaps, making your study time much more productive. Next, focus on elaborating and connecting ideas. Don't just memorize, strive to understand the why behind the information. Explain concepts in your own words, perhaps to an imaginary audience or a study partner. Try to link new information to what you already know, forming a robust mental network. Creating analogies can also make abstract ideas more concrete and memorable, leading to a much deeper comprehension. Effective note organization is crucial for efficient review. Structure your notes with clear headings and bullet points, making them easy to navigate. After a study session, summarize the main ideas into concise, one-page overviews. Consider using visual aids like mind maps or diagrams to represent complex relationships. This process of condensing and structuring helps you grasp the big picture and recall information more quickly during review. Finally, solidify your learning through consistent practice and application. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Solve practice problems, work through case studies, or even try to teach the concepts to a friend. Flashcards are excellent for rapid-fire self-testing, ensuring you can recall key facts quickly. Regular self-assessment, perhaps once every 3 days, is vital for identifying areas needing more attention and cementing your understanding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.